looking cloudy again. Our pool update, this Bestway pool we got from Sam's Club. Now, we had it closed all winter, right?
All winter. I mean, it technically wasn't closed.
It was open. I didn't cover it.
Yes.
Silly me, right?
So now
Silly
we learned
me.
our lesson. Because now we're looking at a lake.
When she says lakes, as you can see, it is green. But I added algicide, which takes time to work, and clarifier.
I mean, it's 100 degrees out here today. It's time to swim.
Babe.
How long is this going to take?
All right, give me 2 weeks. Give me 1 more week. I'll have this water perfect. Comment down below, please give Dad some credit because it doesn't stink. The chemicals are balanced. It's just the dead algae that I had to, get out of here. If I can get this pool together in 2 weeks, I deserve a back rub, a foot massage, and all that. So we'll see what I can do. Oh, stop it. Today, is the pool any better? No. Me and my son Sean here, we have something to show y'all for our little Bestway pool. We bought this. This is called the AIPER cordless robotic pool cleaner. So we got this from Amazon. Mind you, the link would be down to our store pinned in the comment section. But look, it's cordless, 90 minutes, up to 1,076 square feet, lightweight. You said scientists make those? You funny. All right, so it's been charging here. It took a long time.
It took a whole day.
Yep, it took a long time, but it's green now. That means it's done. You unplug this. Hold it for me. All right, you attach this string right here. You just tie it. And this string is the floaty, so when it's in, you can get it out. And then this brush right here. So that's what I had to add. It snapped into place. Everything else was already together. So I'm hoping it cleans pretty good. Let's go find out if it's gonna clean this pool. Sean's gonna pick it up. It's a little heavy, Sean.
No, it's not.
You all right? All right, strong man. Don't drag the cord though. Come on, let's go. I thought it wasn't heavy. He looks like he's struggling. Comment down below. Sean, you sure it's not heavy? Oh, come on. All right. As you can see, the pool is still greenish. We did add our products. We tried to vacuum, the hand vacuum yesterday a little bit, but no bueno. All right, don't just drop it. From what I understand, you let some water get filled in it first, right? Okay, so let some water get filled in it first, and then hold on. Hold it. Hey, no. Hey, cover that part. Shut. To turn that you see this blue knob? Turn it. Go ahead and turn it. Twist it that way, yeah, all the way. Okay, now we let it go, and then it's gonna take like 15 seconds, and it's gonna go by itself. Ew, look at all that dirt and that old algae. All right, hopefully it starts. Let go of this part. It's supposed to float so we can get it out later. Oh shoot, this is under it. You think it's gonna mess it up? Oh, it's okay, let go. Is it doing anything? Kinda? Yeah, better than nothing, I guess.
Yeah, it's getting a lot.
It's getting a lot? Oh. Yeah.
It's cool.
It's getting it got a streak so far. I'm hoping it gets more than that. But it's working. Sean, come here. It's going around the edges. And yes, the chemicals in this pool is balanced. Just because it looks all muggy and stuff, trust me. Chemically wise, safe wise to get in, it's safe. It's just the dead algae that we're trying to get out. So Sean, we're gonna let this go. It runs for 90 minutes. So that's an hour and what? Come on.
Hour and 20.
30 minutes.
So close.
Hour and a half. It's okay. It's gonna run right now. But it's time to just drop out. Let me tell you where I messed up. When you add this dropout to your pool, so we got our Bestway pool here, you cannot run the filter. You're supposed to let it sit for like 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours. So they say on this, you let it run for 2 hours and then turn it off. But I gotta really get this pool together because I ordered a vacuum to vacuum it out. Like not a robotic, the robotic vacuum is not gonna help with cloudiness. The robot vacuum, well, it served this purpose to get the thicker stuff off the ground. Now it wasn't able to really get algae up, and that's me being honest. So this is what's left after I added some algae. So this is the bottom, and I know you're like, oh my god, but look at what my new vacuum can do. and it's a cheap vacuum. I think it's under 30 bucks total. I left it like this so you can see the side that I was able to clean. So I had to buy the hose, and of course this vacuum, and then I already had a pole and I made it longer, but I'm gonna have to get in the pool to really clean this. This connects to right here in the inlet area, and I turn it to waste, open that up, and it'll just vacuum all that's left. So this is the before. Let's see how the after looks. As you can see, the yard is flooded because when you put it on waste, it has to go somewhere. Let me show you what came out. You see that green color in the water? Well, that's not dirt, that's the algae that I got off the bottom, the dead algae. So yeah, now that I did a lot of the cleaning, it's all looking cloudy again because what it didn't get, it kind of kicked up. So we're gonna wait till tomorrow, let it settle down again. I'm just running the filter a little bit with some shock, and just to see what it does, and then I'm gonna turn it off. I'm just letting the shock work a little bit. Mind you, when you use algicide, you got to turn your filter off after 2 hours to let it work. I know when I first heard that, I said it doesn't make sense, but now it does because it has to clump all the stuff that's floating around to the bottom again. Week 2, comment down below, any progress? You've seen it before. Yeah, there's a bee. Oh Lord. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this vacuum, and yeah, try to get that corner where it's the worst. I tried. As you can see, now it's being drained. Only reason why, it's not that I cannot clean it, it's gonna just take a long while. My wife wants it done this weekend, so don't have time to, work on it. So at this point, she's like, can you just empty it? I'm like, yeah, I don't like wasting money. But comment down below, what would you have done? Would you have just kept fighting for another week or so, or would you have just drained it all? Said I was emptying the pool, which I am, and I showed you, but I had to bring out my pump that I got from Amazon. This is the pump right there. You just plug in your water hose, and the cord comes out the pool, of course, and then you plug it into the house. The water hose goes over here, there, and I have it facing out this way, the crack of the house. A cool thing is, once you start it, you can unplug it or turn it off, and it'll still pull, it'll still siphon. I can leave you a link for that. Obviously, it'll be in our store, our Amazon store list. But yeah, so it's been going. This is the next morning. That's how far down it is. So once it gets all the way down and drained, me and my sons, we're gonna get in here, we're gonna scrub this thing down. You can hear in my voice that this is a saddening process to have to empty this beautiful pool. Well, it was beautiful. And as you can see, there's still that algae that I was fighting to get out. My filter, I found out, was meant for 8,000 gallons. So if you have this Bestway pool, make sure you get a stronger filter. So I already ordered a filter that can handle up to 17,000 gallons, and I'm gonna have that in our Amazon store. But if you have a smaller pool than this, that filter that I had will handle, I'll show you, will handle it. This is the one that I had. That will be good enough for smaller than this. So now my son Deshaun is in here scrubbing the parts where the brown is stuck. It just needs to be scrubbed. It takes like 3 or 4 times to scrub it. And then, son, on the wall, there's a little green. Scrub that off right here. Yeah, right there too. I was scrubbing it, trying to get everything in one corner as best as I can. Maybe scrub with soap and water a little bit. I know. There goes the filter. It's out and about. Crystal clear, 2,800 gallons for above ground pools. Basically saying the turnover rate, but that's the maximum. Ours is about 10. And then I have the Zeo sand. Like I said, the link down if you want any of this stuff. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm working on the filter. Cash is out here, Faith. I am going to start filling up this pool. Because by the time it's done, of course I'll get it done before I have to, get to that level. So, and honestly, the hardest part screwing this on properly to make sure it was tight, because if this ain't tight enough, this thing, once it fill up, it'll pop open. Yeah, we don't want that. So I had to make sure it was secure without stripping it. But yeah, now we're waiting to let it fill up. By tomorrow, it should be halfway. So update coming in. Of course, morning time, woke up and I caught the pool just in time before it overfilled. Like just in time. But look at it. Doesn't that look good? My goodness. It's back and the kids are gonna love it. My wife, oh man, God is good. And now I'm just gonna do my little process to get it together, a little bit of chlorine and stuff, and get it ready. If you have a new pump, it's very important to backwash and then rinse. So first I backwash with it on. Well, you gotta turn it off before you turn this. So first I did backwash till it ran clear, turned it off, turned it to rinse, turned it back on, rinsing it. You have to do this with new sand. And once it's done, I'm gonna close it up and then turn it on the filter. All right, that should be good. Let me turn it off. All right, turn it to filter. You're never supposed to change it while it's running because you can mess up your whole filter. It's on filter. See? Wow, this thing is strong. Wow. I'm gonna hook it up to this one later, but that is pumping. Never had a filter work that strong. Goodness gracious. All right, y'all, popping up on the screens another suggested video. We're good, stay blessed, and highly favored. Peace.